Where to find the best sites. Dogs and puppies. Hi. The best internet resources about allergen-free dog foods. These selected resources on the web might help you. The most helpful site to learn about allergen-free dog foods is www.petsmart.com. Specifically the page titled Hill's Registered Prescription Diet Registered Z/D Trademark Canine Ultra Allergen. This is the link. You can also try www.healthyfoodforpets.com, especially the page Allergen-Free Dog Food, Flint River Ranch Lamb, Millet. Here's the link. Last but not least, try our third-ranked site dogcare.dailypuppy.com. The web page Allergen-Free Dog Food brands Dog Care, the Daily Puppy. This is the link.